gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your favorite neighborhood Brazilian man over here. Hell no. Just kidding. I just kidding. We're over here today. Oh, shit. Look. My baby's down. My baby's down. So we're gonna address what's going on with her today. I seen some metal flakes on the filter, on the oil filter. I posted that. And I promised to go live today, but I'm not gonna be able to because my computer, I got the computer set up back there. But I can't freaking log into YouTube. And I can't do it on my phone all day because I didn't bring a charger. So I'm just gonna have to make a video. I already started taking everything apart. Took the filter apart, look in there. There's no flakes, no nothing. The new filter, there's nothing on it. But the old filter, like I posted the other day, had a bunch of metal particles in it. So I'm just gonna do rod bearings today. And I'll go from there. And you already know the goal. Next step will be build the engine. Let's get it, boys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So I already got the fan off, so I can get to the hub to spin it while I'm doing the bearings. The belt is already undone. I took the wheels off in the front because I got to load the subframe for this one. So I'm getting set up for that right now. And rock and roll. You already know how it goes. Got this cooking over here, man, and what's really intriguing, that I took the filter out and there's no metal particles on the filter at all. I don't get it. All right, let's take this thing up. What's going on? I gotta start taking it apart. Freaking sick too, man. It snowed yesterday. I wish I could be live right now, man. If I can find a charger for my phone, I might just do it off my phone. I don't think I have the stand here either. I think I'll have the stand at work. I'm gonna check it out. I might just go live. I'm still gonna make a video. Let's go. So I've been at it like crazy. I got all the suspension disconnected. I got all of those undone. Real nice. The matter of fact, I'm taking it off right now. Let me find the engine mounts. I already loosened them. Just gonna take it off. And then next step, subframe bolts come off. And we'll go from there. All I need is a double shot of whiskey to make all these girls feel frisky. Oh my God, I wish I could be live right now, boys. I tried, but didn't happen. So I'm over here doing what I can. Take these two off, and I'm gonna put the dead man under it. I got pretty much everything detached from the subframe already. I can literally start lowering it. Put this shit away right here. There's just 4 bolts on the subframe. Then I can let it down, work it around the rack and pinion. Then I can get to the oil pan and start undoing that. I gotta drain the oil too, so let's get it. So I got the subframe off. I still gotta disconnect the power steering pump, the transmission line that's over here, trans-cooler line. Disconnect that real quick, lower everything down. Subframe's right there. All this crap gone. You already know we don't mess around. Look at that, original fucking water pump. You niggas don't know nothing about that. A little turbo. It looks good down here, except me. Let's get it. It's time for the truth here, Greg. Now we're gonna see what's going on down here. I know it ain't that bad. That's not fucking bad at all, son. I'll show you guys later, but you can basically see already. There's not that much shit in there. So that means that it chewed up. It chewed up and stopped. Because I already drove this car. After it did that, whatever, after he flaked up the whole joint, I drove it. And didn't do any more damage, I guess. Now I'm wondering, is it my rod bearings? Or is it the bearing for my turbo? Oh, we about to find out.
Pause it.
Huh? Look at it. There's some, it's shiny. But it's not as bad as I thought. But you can't really see nothing in there right now like that. And the oil didn't change color, it's purple to begin with. So, bring it over here, Craig. Like, you can see it's sparkly a little bit, not too much. I don't know if you guys can see from the camera. It's just a little bit. It started chewing it, and I caught it just in time. Yeah, you see the little line right there? There's the oil, and there's one line running down. That small metal particle. It's not as bad as I thought it would be at all, man. Let's get it. All right, gang, oil pin's off. I gotta get the windows tray, the fucking suction tube. Oh, I got oil right in the eye. Right in the eye, yep. So we're gonna keep going over here. Let's go. So I already did cylinder 1. This is what it looks like. That's cylinder 1. That's not bad. So I just gotta keep going now. I got 2 lined up, ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna bang that right out. I just don't like how like they have you torque this at 36 foot-pounds, man. You gotta do so much with the BMW boats, but with these you just gotta do 36 foot-pounds. So let's go. You don't look too bad in here. Don't look like it was getting hot. Let's see what's gonna happen in this motherfucker. Looks good though. Let's see which one got chewed up. If none of them got chewed up, then I don't know. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we finally got to the culprit. This is number 5. If I had driven the car the rest of the week, I would have been toast. Like, I'll get away with this for a while. The crank is really not that bad. Still shiny. I don't feel any marks on it. I'm just gonna send it. I'll put bearings on it and send it. Let's go. Look at this shit. Number 5. Almost. Didn't spin, but it was almost spinning. If I drove it the rest of the week, I would have been fucked. All right, so I've been taking them all out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I got to 5. Look at what 5 looks like. It's like going. The crank is fine. It's not too fucking banged up. I think that once the new bearing gets on it, it'll fucking make it nice. It'll repolish it. Yeah, right. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? So day 2, I'm back. I left early yesterday. It was around 3 o'clock. I had the bearings done and all that. But look, my oil pan is mint. You know what I mean? There's nothing on it. Not a speck of fucking metal. Let's snap that flashlight real quick. Alright, so that's the oil pan. There's no metal in it. So that's what gave me confidence, you know what I mean, to just do the bearing. I put it on, it went good. Now I gotta clean this up, get all this oil out of here, clean it all up, and we'll go from there. Let's get it, boys. So we're over here putting the oil pan back together. Getting it did, boys. Bringing the boots in. We're gonna start torquing them pretty soon. Yo, it's freaking crazy looking at this right now, bro. Oh my God. Look. They're not gone. You see that? But they were gonna go. I used it up. I used the whole thing. Yep. Look at the other cylinders. Oh, the other cylinders are okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's crazy. Whew. Freaking tired. Let's get it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I got the car all put together. Got the engine primed already. Now we find out. Now we find out. It's not knocking off the rib. We're gonna let it run for a while and do an oil change, and we'll go from there. Let's see how this goes. There you go. So I started it. Now there's no more knocking when it gets to 2,500 RPM. Yeah, buddy. I had a little bit of knocking around 2,500 RPM, nothing. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit longer, get some heat on it, and then I'm gonna drain the oil and put new oil in and go home. Let's get it. Okay, gang. So car's running, no knock. Sounds great, but there's no problem. I let it run for about 40 minutes, and then I changed the oil in the filter, and this is the filter that came out. There's absolutely nothing on it. I did an oil change now, and I'm gonna do another oil change probably next week or some shit, and see how that goes. So rod bearing change successfully. It's 10 motherfucking degrees out here. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna talk about it more when I get home. All right, I'll